Hello guys, this is my first video. I started a channel to educate people all around the world, and in this video I'm going to show you the double split experiment. Now that's double slit experiment. So this experiment was going to show them to know the idea that the electron has a wave character and a particle nature also. So how does it work and how does scientists use it? So they take up first of all I'm going to set the setup. Okay. And this is the electron gun. Okay. So this is the setup. This is made up of steel. And this is the filter plate, or you can also call it the screen where the electrons will be seen. So now we have a slit here, and let me just, so it's a two. They just take up a two slitted steel like this. No, this is a double split, one here and one here. So what they do is that they shoot up electrons from an electron gun. It's not the gun which you can get in the market. It just has an element inside it and it shoots up its electrons. Okay, now we cannot see the electron, but so they do is they set up a photographic photo plate. Okay, it's like a screen. Okay, and on here we get to know that where the electron has landed. So like when the electrons come from here, okay, one of them will come here and then get like this. So now it has been seen that when the electrons are shooting, some of them like bounce back. They bounce back in these opposite directions like this, and some of them just hit the screen, okay, like this. Now an interesting feature is that they hit the screen and they make up a shape like this, similar to waves like this one. Now it's just the probability that the electrons will hit here or not, because as this is a steel rod type, there are only two slits and there's no 100% that the electrons will surely get in from here. They can also bounce back. Some of them will bounce back in, and some of them will go from here, and some of them from here. Okay, so they just make up this. Now from this thing, scientists say that it has a particle nature, electrons have a particle nature, but how do they get to know that it has a wave character too? Now, let me just erase these kind of things. This. Now, to get to know that the particle and the electrons have a wave nature too, they see that the shape which is made up by the electrons by hitting the screen is kind of a wave. As you can see, it's coming like this, this, and this, which can only happen in a wave. So this is the crest, and this is the trough. Now, this is a simple idea explaining that electrons have a particle nature. How do we get to know that there are wave character too, except not considering this? Now, if they form this wave-like structure, that means they have the waves. They are traveling waves too. Now, that means these waves traveling waves like this. Like this. Now after hitting the steel screen, this one, if we erase this will make more space down here. wait, sec. Yes. So after hitting this steel, some of them will bounce back. Okay. Some of them waves will bounce back from here too. The waves which go up from here are usually like this. Like this. Okay. And they form a wave. These are the waves kind of structure. Now this is the crest and this lower part is the trough. Now, if you want to get to know that this type of shape, what scientists do is they take about scale, like this one, it has markings down here, like this, okay, and they just bring back these waves here. Okay. Now, some of them will have this and this and this kind of structure. That means they have the electrons have a wave character too. Okay. So now, if you consider the Schrodinger, what Schrodinger did, he said that the waves will travel. They have a wave function. Okay. A wave function is written like this. Now, wave function. Now, if you consider this as the whole wave, and this one is the whole wave. Now, this means that this whole wave is equal to. Let us consider this as wave function A, wave function B. Okay, it's equal to wave function A plus wave function B plus. Now what should be the third part? The third part is the reflected back, which is reflected back in the opposite directions from here and some of them here, which we can take it as wave function C. So this is the equation which can be derived from which the Schrodinger gave, that the wave which is traveling from an electron usually has a wave function. So this is how we get to know the wave particle, and the wave character, the particle nature of an electron. And now another way is that to get to know the wave particle nature is that this type of electron is shooted on a screen, okay, from where it bounces back, and there is a photographic plate, so the rings are formed here, which will only suggest it has a wave character, not a particle nature. But this is how we consider the wave character and the particle nature. I hope you guys liked it, and sorry for the bad backgrounds. I just started this channel. I hope to deliver the best quality content material on this channel, and all I can say is thank you so much.